Probably the most basic computer game is first player role play game, RPG, as Miss Townsend refers to it. So if we are playing a game, you need to have some sort of weapon. I know most people will be going, yeah, okay, well, I could come up with a list of weapons. So what I've done is if we put them in strings, so gun, and we can have a knife, or I've actually got a pre-prepared list. A machete, I've got a Rowan, so you can put a person's name in, and a banana bomb. So each one of these is separate. It's a speech mark at the end and the beginning of each word, and there's a comma in between each one of our weapons we've got. It needs to be inside a list. So we've done lists before. It's the square brackets. So you can see there I have a square bracket at the beginning, a square bracket at the end. I'm going to make this list a variable. I'm going to assign it to a variable, and I'll call it weapons. So now we're about to play the game. So they've got to have a random one of these weapons appearing and see which one would obviously destroy the other person. That's the idea of a role-play game. So we need to use, again, of course, random. So random. If it's not appearing, why is it not appearing? Of course, we know why it's not appearing. We need to use import random. So random dot, and the first one in the list is choice. That's the one we're going to use. So we have a choice of weapons. So I'm going to call this new weapon. Put capital letter for the W. So random choice of weapon. Now we need to actually say to the person what's going to happen. So we're going to output arm yourself. And then we'll give them their random choice of weapons. We put a comma in because we're putting the string, which is this bit here, and you can change what this says, with the new weapon, the weapon of choice, or rather the one we've just given to them, which is randomized. Okay, let's run the program. And let's see what happens. Arm yourself, and you've got a machete.